I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Tito's and cranberry. Okay? So make sure you guys pay attention because this recipe can get a little tricky. So yeah. First, I'm going to start with cranberry juice and a glass. Actually, it doesn't even have to be a glass. It could be a plastic cup, but you just want something where you can pour stuff into it. So it just needs to be like this. It can even be a bowl. If you have a bowl, that'll work. Just make sure that you're able to pour stuff into it. So yeah, so I got cranberry juice and I have a glass, but you can have a bowl or a plastic cup or a styrofoam cup, whatever you have that you can pour stuff into. Anyway, and then I have Tito's. Tito's did not sponsor my video, but if they want to in the future, I would really appreciate it. So yeah, let me show you how we're gonna do this. We're going to just take the cap off of that cranberry. Voila, like that. You know, actually, you guys, I forgot one really important step. I'm gonna put that cap back on, and we are going to shake this. You gotta shake it, okay? Because if you don't shake it, sometimes like all the juice and sugar can get stuck down at the bottom. So you gotta shake. Like that. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna pour this into the glass. I'm gonna put this to the side, and then we're going to pour in the vodka. So we're gonna pour this vodka into the cranberry juice. That should be enough. Whatever you like. If you like a little more, if you like a little less, it's whatever you like. I'm gonna put the cap back on, okay? And then you have to find a spoon or a knife or a fork, something to stir that up, okay? So, where is one? Okay, well that's the dishwasher. Okay, here's some silverware. Oh, there's a spoon. Okay. So we found a spoon. Just gonna rinse that off. And then you want to stir this. You want to stir that. Can you see how I'm doing that? You see how I'm stirring it? You want to make sure that cranberry and that vodka is mixed up perfectly together. And then you can just do a little taste. Okay. Yeah, okay. That is awesome. Hands down, the best cranberry and vodka I've ever had in my entire life. Yeah. And that's how you make a cranberry and vodka. This is the best vodka and tonic. That's good. Wow, I never knew vodka and cranberry can be so delicious. I think I just like crack the cheat code. Cheers. Hands down, this is the best vodka and cranberry I've ever had in my life.